Welcome to LearnStroke. This is IAS Radio, and you're listening to News Leads. The most important news on the front page of The Hindu is the faithful receiving the Guru Granth Sahib flown in from Afghanistan by the Indian Air Force. So, from a civil services perspective, this is very important for GS Paper 1 mains and for prelims, especially from the area Modern India. Please try to find out the Guru Granth Sahib and the role of Sikhs in modern India. And the next important news item is End Humiliation, says Gupkar Alliance. Parties warn centre against mistaking graveyard silence in Jammu and Kashmir as normalcy. So this is very important as per the GS Paper 2, especially with constitutional provisions of Jammu and Kashmir and Article 370. The another news, Tamil Nadu launches 100 crore urban employment scheme. Like MGNREGS, it offers a livelihood for urban poor. This is important regarding GS Paper 2, especially the government schemes. So such news can be used as an example whenever you quote NREGA. From the editorial perspective, the first important editorial here is Caste Counts, a vision for a just India and not partisan political gains should inspire a fresh census. So paper GS2 mains perspective, you need to know what is a caste census and what are the important features of caste census. So having a strong hold on this will give you a complete idea on this whole concept. Moving on, the next important news item is the ugly face of a crime-fighting move. Important from the perspective of GS Paper 2 as well as GS Paper 3, from governance point of view as well as science and technology part. The implementation of the National Automated Facial Recognition System in India lacks adequate safeguards. So knowing about National Automated Facial Recognition System is the most important thing from a governance perspective as well as from a technology perspective. The next article is Climate Change, a catalyst for Arctic cooperation. Environmental challenges should be a priority for all players in the region, outweighing military and economic issues. This is important from the perspective of GS Paper 3, especially environmental issues and Arctic cooperation. So even a small paragraph here says there are 8 countries that have direct access to the Arctic sources. So from a prelims perspective, there can be a question, which of the following countries have direct access to Arctic region? You can get the options like Canada, Denmark, Finland, Iceland, Norway, etc. So all the answers are right. So having a good idea on Arctic cooperation will definitely help you in GS Paper 3 environment. And the next important news item is GS Paper 2, and from a health perspective, a surfeit of sero surveys. You need to know what you mean by a sero surveillance survey. What do you mean by a sero surveillance survey? And next it talks about important concept of GS Paper 2, especially the concept of judiciary. Vacant seats, justice delayed. So the whole article talks about judiciary, the vacant seats under trials, and the long-standing pendency of cases in India. So that is the concept of justice delayed. You can get a full idea from this. And for a general reading, you can read Rethinking a Perk for Players. There is a need to reconsider promotions in government jobs for eminent sportsperson. Such news items are very important for idea formation for civil services. Find out whether sports people should be eligible for jobs and promotions in government sector. So this is a topic for debate also. Moving on to the national and international news. Modi, Putin discuss Afghanistan crisis. This is important from GS Paper 2, International Relations Perspective or IR, with special reference to BRICS stand on Afghanistan. So you should know which are the BRICS nation, what are the ideologies of BRICS, and what is the stand of BRICS in the Afghanistan issue. Papua New Guinea bans India flights. There is a news item. So as a fact for prelims, Know the country. Find where Papua New Guinea is located, which are the borders which Papua New Guinea shares with other countries. As a fact question, read this article. Hope Afghan crisis does not pose challenge to neighbors. India pitches for inclusive broad-based dispensation in Kabul. GS Paper 2, International Relations, especially read it from the perspective of India's stand on Afghanistan issue. The next news item is ICHR move touches raw nerve. Parties flay bid to erase Malabar rebellion from annals of freedom struggle. This is very important from the perspective of GS Paper 1, Indian History. For prelims and mains perspective, read it from the Malabar rebellion's perspective. The next news item. In a first, Army receives hand grenades from private sector. Technology from the DRDO was sourced in 2016. Read it from the perspective of mains defense perspective and read about the new concept of Economic Explosive Limited or EEL and DRDO. EPFO appeals goes to a larger Supreme Court bench. Dispute linked to amendments. Read it from the perspective of GS Paper 3. What is EPFO? And have an idea from the economy perspective. Government selling crown jewels, says Rahul Gandhi. Read it from GS Paper 3 infrastructure perspective because the whole article talks about the national monetization pipeline. The next item, India-Russia defense trade worth 15 billion in 3 years. Read it from the perspective of GS Paper 2 International Relations, Indo-Russia Relations. Government website removes section on culture. The description of a Mughal empire as one of the greatest was disputed. So there is a controversy over the paragraph on Mughal empire. Read it from the perspective of GS Paper 1, especially Indian culture. Read Mughal empire for prelims as well as mains. Next news item is Kamala Harris accuses China of intimidation in disputed seas. Beijing continues to undermine the rules-based order. Read it from the perspective of GS Paper 2, International Relations, with special reference to China and the presence in Asian waters. Next item is Hong Kong to check old films for security breaches. The city announces new censorship laws. From a prelims perspective, there is an item called Patriots Rule Hong Kong. It's an official campaign dubbed Patriots Rule Hong Kong. So for MCQ questions, Patriots Rule is actually in Hong Kong. And the next news item is chip shortage transient likely to resolve by 2022. The whole article talks about the semiconductor shortage problem. So read it from the perspective of GS Paper 3, Science and Technology. India pips US as hub for manufacturing. Read it from GS Paper 3, GS Paper 2 and fact for prelims. Because India has overtaken the US to become second most sought after manufacturing destination globally by cost competitiveness. So read it from GS Paper 3, GS Paper 2. The next news item, open digital systems to unlock 700 billion opportunities by 2030. Open digital ecosystem will unlock more than 700 billion worth of business. Read it from GS Paper 3, Science and Technology, as well as World Economy Perspective. Thank you for listening to News Leads. This is IAS Radio.